Alright, okay. Let's get into the reading of the day. However, I do have one product because basically what they're saying once again is you didn't pay. So here's the receipt to show proof that I paid. By the way, thank you, Dad. 2 by 2 is 4. That's what I took from the table this morning. And by the way, I saw that you added more, so thank you. Plus the brown jacket. So I saw that, the brown jacket, because the brown jacket was not there when I left. So I saw that you added 3 more toonies, which is $6. And you also added the brown jacket after I came back. And it's upstairs currently. So thank you very much. And this is what I got. And this is the product. And this is the Viva Color Pressed Powder with Mirror. And this is shade 04. So this is the Viva Color Pressed Powder with a mirror. And the mirror is actually pretty good. It's not a bad mirror at all. It's actually a pretty good packaging. And this is in the shade 04. So let's get into the reading of it all. And this is my final one for today. I will be back, if not on Monday, I will be back on Tuesday. So we are going to be reading from this book series right here. I haven't bought another series since, but they are coming back. This is Twisted Love, Twisted Book 1 by Anna Huang. This is my personal copy. So yes, I have written in it because it is my personal copy. It is not the Field Library's copy. This is my personal copy, and we are reading from the scripture of Genesis chapter 2 with this book. So let's get into the reading of the book first, and then we'll read the scripture after, and we'll let the fly have his day because the fly knows where the camera lens is. We'll let the fly have his day. I'll talk to the fly's owner after. I'll deal with you after. But let's read. Chapter 1, Ava. There were worse things than being stranded in the middle of nowhere during a rainstorm. That's the first paragraph. Let's read that again. There were worse things than being stranded in the middle of nowhere during a rainstorm. Let's read Genesis chapter 2, verse 1. How does a rainstorm and this story connect? Well, let's find out. Oh, it's connected. Genesis chapter 2, it's connected to your short game solution. So, how does golfing and rain connect? Thus, the heavens and the earth were completed in their vast array. The heavens and the earth were completed. It didn't say anything about separation. So when the golfing came into being, the golf club must have cracked a window in the Earth's plate, which means there's probably life on other planets somewhere, and we keep crashing to life on other planets because Earth does usually crash into Mars, right? So we keep crashing into Mars, and we keep hearing the life on Mars and what's happening on Mars, which is really not what's supposed to happen, but we keep hearing the whatever is happening, right? And that's because I believe in the external view of reincarnation, meaning that there is life on other planets. We just can't see it until we, crash into you type of feeling. Okay? So, that's Genesis chapter 2. So the golf club on Mars well, it kind of crashed into earth, which created a crack, and water fell into earth, and it gave us Anahorn Twisted Love, which means Gulf and rain do work together. You just golf better when the grass is wet, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, James Sickerman. Do you golf better when the grass is wet? Or do you golf better when the grass is bone dry? Golf experts, do you want to answer that question for me? Do you golf better when the grass is wet? Or do you putt better when the grass is dry? Which putt is better for you? Is the putt of the wet grass better for a golfer? Or is the putt of a dry grass better for a golfer? Let me know. You know where I am. You call James Sickerman, you can get to me. I'll hear from you very soon. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!